You guys like it? Welcome back to another video, guys, or for those that are new, I'm Brittney and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year! Oh my goodness, it is literally 2021 and it doesn't feel like it at all. This year went by super quick, but also like very slow because of everything. I mean, obviously y'all know, but we are in 2021 and I thought for this video, because I've never actually done one before, I want to do a vision board of my life going into the new year. So I want it to be life, I want it to be goals, I want it to be focused on fashion, YouTube, like everything. I was thinking about like just focusing on one thing, but then I was like, nah, let me just do like a whole thing. That's what we're gonna do. I have a whole poster board here, and to be honest, this is too big for me, so I'm gonna cut it down to like a little, you know, little one so that I can keep it somewhere around me so that I could always see it. I didn't want blue, but then again, I was way too lazy to go and find a different color one. And this is one that we just had sitting around in the house, so I was like, you know what, might as well just use this one. And I feel like I'm gonna fill it up anyways so you don't see the color behind it. I got my handy dandy scissors and my tape. I don't have glue, which is, it should be fine, I hope. We'll make it work. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and print some stuff off that I'm looking forward to in 2021, you know, like just growing, like self-love, like growing my channel, like all this, you know, branching out in fashion even more. So like I'm excited for this journey, like I've been saying leading up to the new year. But yeah, so what I was thinking is that every video for the rest of the year, which is going to be a lot, but I cannot wait, I am going to either toast or say something I'm grateful for, and I just want to toast to new beginnings. Because I'm ready to leave last year in the past, because, I mean, it's in the past for a reason, and I'm just ready to move forward with my life, with everything. So cheers, toast to new beginnings and moving forward. So, yay! I did my makeup today. I feel like I didn't do a bad job. Like, I think I did pretty good, which is like, who am I? Am I getting better? And I put on the lip stuff from my last video that I showed y'all that I got from Shoppers. Actually loving it, so that's great. But before we get into the video, remember to like and subscribe because I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers before the end of next year, so let's get it. Alrighty, so I think the first thing that I actually need to do is cut this just to see how big I want it to be. And I think that's a good size. Yeah, that's a good size. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this, fold it and cut it. And then we could get started. Okay. So yeah, one thing that I definitely want to work on throughout the year is just, on everything I do, is just being more consistent. Because last year I only got consistent, say, just with my YouTube in the last 3 months of the year, and that's where I really saw a growth with my channel. So I feel like I just need to be more consistent and then I'll see progress. So that is one thing, like, just all the way around, even like with Instagram, like just social medias, I guess I could say. And like just actually myself in general, just because like say my facial routines, like if I'm way too lazy one night, I won't do it, or working out, I'll just won't because I'm not motivated or something like that. So staying consistent is probably going to be my biggest thing of the year. Okay, so now I have my little poster cut out, and we are gonna go and find pictures. So the one place I really like or use is Pinterest and Instagram. More Pinterest than anything else, to be completely honest. And I've already like gone ahead and put like a folder together. So let me show y'all. Alrighty, so this is kind of, and I hope this angle works for y'all and it's not kind of like fuzzy. It doesn't really look fuzzy on my camera, but I'll just show you some of the pictures that are already kind of collected. So I really want to learn how to layer chains. Every time I try, I just feel like it doesn't look right to me, and I feel like that's just me in my own head. So I definitely want to work on that. This picture is definitely towards like myself and like my self-love. I definitely want to really work on it this year. And it says you are enough, and I just believe like everything that I put negatively into my head is just because of me. Like no one else says it. It's I'm such a self-sabotage type of person, and I don't want to be like that anymore. So we're definitely gonna work on some self-love. I have her. I don't even know who she is, but her skin looks amazing, and y'all already know my skin is not the best, and I mean, I'm okay with it, but we obviously want to get to that flawless stage. So we're definitely going to work on our skin this year. Even I picked her because of her hair. I feel like for me, I know I have nice hair. It's just so easy for me just to put it in a bun and never do anything with it. Like, I don't really know how to style my hair. I don't know different hairstyles. So I definitely want to work on that this year. That's why I have this picture also, just to like expand. And then obviously, again, for me, it's like self-care and all that stuff. So maintaining my nails and them looking nice, and then obviously growing on my accessories. I really want to do that. And then obviously I have some sneakers, some clothing, because obviously I want to expand on my fashion, but that's just the little things that I've found so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and find more on Pinterest. So
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. I don't want no scrub. No scrub. No scrub. No scrub. I don't want no scrub. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Alrighty, I'm finally done. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm done, but definitely got a bunch of pictures. I have like 10 pages of pictures, so I'm hoping that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and try to print it now, and then I'll go over it all with you guys. So let's try to print all of these papers. Okay, so I finished printing everything. I have about 10 pages of stuff, so hopefully this can cover everything, but if it doesn't, I feel like I can just cut out behind the background. I don't know, I guess we'll see. But the first thing that I want to be like in the middle, probably, should I put it last then? Well, I need to cut out everything and see, but is I am creating the life of my dreams. I feel like this is a really good one to put in the middle, because I feel like it's just so easy for me to lose my focus when things are not going the way that I want it to. So always reading this and then seeing everything around it is what's going to keep me motivated this year. So I really love all of that, or I love that quote especially. Like, when I saw it, I was like, yes, I have to have it. So I also have all of these that I need to go ahead and cut out right now, which I'm about to go do that. I actually found some glue. I don't know if it is, I can use it, but I have some. I found some when I was printing. And so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out all the pictures and then start placing them everywhere that I want it to go. So let me go ahead and do that real quick.
I don't want your number, I don't wanna give you mine, and I don't wanna meet you nowhere near. Pussy. Pussy, 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 pussy.
Looks like damn near nighttime now, but I'm finally finished. That kind of took forever. But this is my final product. Do you guys like it? I feel like once you just like look at it, it looks like very materialistic, because I have a lot of like fashion type pieces, like girls dressed up and all that stuff. But like, for me, why I picked so many pictures like that is because I feel like I'm trying to find my style still. Like, I love like the really baggy like streetwear. I don't know if you guys can see that, like this. But then I also really like dressing up like a girl, and then like I like the in the between. So I have like a lot of pieces that are like really girly or just like really streetwear and stuff like that. And then obviously I kind of have like some luxury stuff, even though that doesn't like really matter to me, but obviously it would be nice to have. And then obviously I feel like the most important thing on here are like my quotes. So, for example, I have talk to yourself like someone you love, because I feel like it's just so easy for me not to do that. I'm always super hard on myself, and I don't understand why. I think it's just how I grew up, and like always being competitive in sports. Like, if it's not the best product that I'm producing, then it's obviously not good enough. So, you know. And then growth is growth no matter how small, and I'm learning to really accept that one, especially growing my channel. When I first started, I expected to be like big and everyone subscribing, and then I kind of was not motivated to do it anymore. But then obviously I learned like small growth adds up over time. So I just, you know, have to be proud of myself. Which of that leads me to the next quote is make yourself proud. Enjoy the journey. I love myself. I accept myself. I forgive myself. So it's like a lot of self-love in these quotes that I really do need to work on. And just like reminding myself that I am enough and all that fun stuff. But I feel like talking about feelings and all that stuff could be another video if y'all want that. But like, again, clear skin is, I need that. What else? I gotta have the Prada in there because that's my favorite luxury brand. The G-Wagon, for those that don't know, that is my legit dream car, and I would love a G-Wagon one day. And yeah, that's about it, to be completely honest. I'm about to put it up on my whiteboard just so I can wake up and look at it every morning and just remind myself what I want in life and what is important, what I need to focus on. But yeah, I'm super excited that I did it. I've never done a vision board before, and it actually took me a while, but I love this. And I think I'm like gonna write on the back like some goals for 2021, because just for like different things in my life, like say YouTube, my self-love, just stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're still here and you haven't yet, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!